Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to host a server in Arma Reforger. So let's start. So here you have the Arma server hosting features. You have to data protect, 24-hour support, worldwide coverage, enterprise hardware, instant setup, upload your work, offsite backups, 24-hour refund, and all support. You can do it installing and create your forward server on Windows. You can click here and you can start downloading it. It's completely free, and you can check here the option that you have for monthly, 3 months, 6 months, etc., and slot, location, and those kind of things. You can configure the options and try to do it by yourself, and that's the way to do it. And you can find this option in gtxgaming.com that UK. So that's how you can start doing here, and you can have the 24 support. This is the price if you do it like this one for the popular game server Arma Reforger. And well, of course you can change everything you prefer without any problem, but this is how you can do it, guys. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.